As you can see, we are currently on the computer screen. First of all, we'll import our video. Then, we'll drag the video onto the timeline. Once the video is placed on the timeline, we'll add some text on top of the video. We'll adjust the text. Now, let's animate the text. To animate the text, go to the Effects panel and search for Basic 3D. Now drag this effect onto the text layer. After that, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the effect settings. You can customize these settings according to your preference. But if you want to follow exactly what I did, that's even better. Now, we'll adjust the text position and style. You can adjust everything just like I did, or feel free to customize it your own way. Now we'll adjust the text position and style. Feel free to customize it your own way. Both options are fine. So, that's it. Now preview your video and see the result. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure to follow or subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.